In the scenic neighborhoods of Washington, where lush landscapes meet charming architecture, curb appeal matters. Whether you're nestled in the suburbs of Seattle or enjoying the natural beauty of Spokane, the exterior of your home speaks volumes. One of the most impactful ways to elevate that first impression is by installing custom windows tailored to your home's design, layout, and personality. Custom windows not only enhance your home's appearance, they also add value, improve energy efficiency, and reflect your unique style. Here's how custom windows can transform your Washington home's curb appeal and create lasting impressions for guests, neighbors, and potential buyers. Tailored designs that match your architecture. Every home in Washington is unique, from cozy craftsman bungalows to modern farmhouses and mid-century gems. Custom windows allow you to design shapes, sizes, and styles that perfectly complement your home's architecture. Unlike stock windows, custom options are made to fit seamlessly into non-standard or specialty openings, match design elements, such as trims, arches, or gables, replicate historic window styles for older homes. Whether you're aiming for elegance, modern minimalism, or traditional charm, custom windows offer the flexibility to create the exact aesthetic you envision. Unique shapes and grille pattern add character. Standard rectangular windows serve their purpose, but custom shapes and grille patterns add visual interest and curb appeal. A circular window above your front door, or a set of trapezoid windows following your roofline, instantly grabs attention and sets your home apart. Popular custom features include bay and bow windows that add dimension to your home's facade, arched or round-top windows for dramatic visual flair, or decorative grids or grills for classic or contemporary detail. These features don't just improve the look, they show that attention was paid to every detail, increasing perceived value and attractiveness. Enhanced natural light and views. One of the great advantages of living in Washington is the access to natural beauty, from coastal views to mountain vistas and forested backyards. Custom windows give you the opportunity to maximize those views and bring in more natural light. By placing windows strategically and choosing the right shapes and sizes, you can brighten dark exterior areas with larger or additional windows, showcase scenic landscapes with panoramic or picture windows, create balance and symmetry across the front of your home. Well-lit exteriors and thoughtfully positioned windows make a home feel more open, welcoming, and vibrant, boosting curb appeal instantly. Color and frame customization. Custom windows come with the option to select frame colors and finishes that align with your home's color scheme. Whether you're going bold with black framed windows or matching classic white trims, color customization ensures your windows enhance, not clash with, your home's exterior. Benefits include powder-coated finishes that resist fading in sun or rain, wood grain textures or metallic finishes for a premium look, seamless color matching to siding, shutters, and doors. These subtle design touches add polish and cohesion to your curb appeal. Energy efficiency that supports appearance and function. Curb appeal isn't just about what you see, it's about how the home performs. Custom windows often include advanced energy-efficient features, such as low E-glass coatings, multi-pane insulation, argon gas fills, and weather-tight seals. In Washington's ever-changing climate, these upgrades reduce condensation and prevent fogging, ensuring your windows stay clear and beautiful from the street. No streaks, no drafts, no warping. Final thoughts. Custom windows, maximum impact. If you're looking to elevate your home's curb appeal in Washington, custom windows are one of the smartest and most stylish investments you can make. With tailored design, enhanced performance, and long-lasting beauty, these windows do more than frame your views. They frame your home's identity. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to take pride in your home's appearance, work with a local window expert to design the perfect solution. When it comes to making a strong first impression, custom windows make all the difference.